Hey guys, it's Nazmul Dropshipping Agent. So our today's video topics is 5 winning product to sell. So in this video we will only show you these 5 products. I hope this will work. So let's see. So guys, our first product will be the Halloween ghost product because Halloween is upcoming. So it's now trending and it's very high performing product to sell. So this is the product that bonfire flickering nightlight bonfire flame Halloween. So the reviews is very good. 19 reviews, 600 plus sold. So this is a good product. And number two product is Cake in Electric Heated Eyelash Color. It's for the woman. Let's see the product video. We can see that this product is for the ladies, women, and it's very new product. Those girls like most interested for their time. So it's a good product. We can move to the next product. Mini bike pump 100 ps. This product is, it means that if you go the product that silicone rubber cover and portable velcro, it means suddenly if you are if you going through anywhere, and if your bike pump is suddenly fallen down or problem, then it will help it that instantly you can solve the problem. The reviews 5 and 4,000 plus sold, which is very good. Next product is the mini sticker printer. It's very popular product. Last year some of my clients sold it almost million million sales. So we can sell it. It's for the students, family, everything and everywhere you can use it, no problem. And our last product is the 105 1 and 500 w electric cordless spray. This product, it means like uh, quickly painting, like you are looking at this picture that efficient and fast. Slow when you will do manually paint, it will be slow and boring, but by this it is very fastest and convenient. Also it is uniform and delicious. So and the bad things when you will do manually without this product: slow, wear intellect, yes, right, and then the uneven spraying. Okay, so this is the 5 products for this month. Is very winning. You if you try this, and also it's 500 plus sold, 56 reviews. So definitely this is a winning product. So these 5 products for this September month, we will try, and we will see that the very good result will come. So thank you guys for seeing this video.